dead? What are you killing it dead? Good girl. That's a good girl. Good job, Tessa. You kill it dead, Baba. That's a girl. That's my girl. Kill it dead. Kill it dead. Clever girl. What's it? Oops. Oopsie. Good job. Good job.